Hello, my name is Jarvis, and I am the host for PC Social. Welcome to today's interactive presentation where we will be comparing two popular tools for small business owners, Google Gemini Chatbot and OpenAI's ChatGPT. Which one is better for small businesses?
Before we dive into the details, let's take a quick look at our agenda for today. Definition and context of Google Gemini and ChatGPT. What is Google Gemini? Key features of Google Gemini. Benefits of Google Gemini for small businesses. What is ChatGPT? Key features of ChatGPT. Benefits of ChatGPT for small businesses. Head-to-head comparison of Google Gemini and ChatGPT. Market position overview. Advantages and disadvantages of Google Gemini. Advantages and disadvantages of ChatGPT. Final verdict, which is better for small businesses? Recommendations. Conclusion. Are you ready to dive into the presentation? Let's dive right in. Welcome to slide number 3. Here, we'll discuss two popular AI chatbot solutions, Google Gemini Chatbot and OpenAI ChatGPT. Google Gemini Chatbot. Gemini is an AI chatbot developed by Google. It uses natural language processing and machine learning to provide interactive customer experiences. Businesses can automate interactions, handle inquiries, offer support, and even boost sales. Gemini seamlessly integrates with various platforms, making it ideal for small businesses. OpenAI ChatGPT. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is an AI language model for conversations. It generates human-like responses using a large dataset. Users input messages, and the model generates suitable replies in real time. These chatbots help small businesses enhance customer engagement with AI technology. They automate interactions, handle inquiries efficiently, provide support, and even facilitate sales. Using advanced NLP and machine learning, these chatbots deliver personalized experiences to customers. Let's dive into slide 4 and discover what Google Gemini Chatbot is all about. Google Gemini Chatbot is an advanced conversational AI platform designed to provide small business owners with an interactive and personalized chatbot experience. It uses cutting-edge technologies like natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning to create an intelligent virtual assistant for your business. Gemini enables businesses to build intelligent chatbots that assist users, provide information, and offer solutions. It can be integrated across websites, messaging apps, and voice assistants. With Google Gemini Chatbot, small business owners can engage with customers in a conversational and intuitive manner, enhancing customer service and user experience. It delivers personalized and responsive solutions. Google Gemini Chatbot is a game changer for small business owners, offering a personalized and efficient experience. By leveraging advanced AI technologies, you can take your customer service and user experience to new heights. In slide 5, we'll look at the valuable features of Google Gemini Chatbot. 1. Context-aware conversations. This feature allows Google Gemini to remember user interactions and provide personalized responses. It understands customer needs and preferences for a seamless experience. 2. Multi-channel support. Google Gemini works across various channels, meeting customer communication preferences. It ensures easy access through websites, apps, social media, and messaging platforms. 3. Integration with Google services. Google Gemini seamlessly integrates with Google Search, Maps, Calendar, and Drive. Users can access information and perform tasks within the chatbot interface. 4. Machine learning capabilities. Google Gemini uses advanced machine learning to continuously improve its performance. It learns from user interactions, providing accurate responses aligned with customer preferences. With Google Gemini Chatbot's features, remember that it can transform customer engagement. Welcome to slide number 6. As an AI expert, I'll guide you through its advantages. Slide number 6 highlights the benefits for small businesses with Google's Gemini chatbot. Let's explore 3 key advantages. Enhanced lead generation. The chatbot collects customer information for targeted marketing, helping you reach your audience and generate more leads. Personalized recommendations. AI algorithms analyze customer data to offer tailored suggestions, boosting sales and engagement. Streamlined operations. Automating tasks like scheduling and tracking reduces the burden on owners, improving efficiency and business growth. These benefits show how the Gemini chatbot can help small businesses. In the next slide, we'll focus on ChatGPT and its benefits. In this slide, we will discuss what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can converse with users, providing natural language responses. It understands a wide range of topics and can engage in dynamic conversations, just like a real person. It can answer questions, explain, suggest, and offer opinions. By learning from diverse internet text, ChatGPT produces high-quality responses and understands conversation context, creating an interactive experience that feels like chatting with a human. In this slide, we included a YouTube video as a beginner's guide for small business owners interested in learning about ChatGPT. It's a perfect starting point for your AI journey. ChatGPT comprehensively understands and interprets natural language inputs, ensuring effective communication with customers. Next, context sensitivity. ChatGPT retains and utilizes conversation context, enabling coherent and personalized dialogue with customers. Moving on to flexible responses. ChatGPT generates diverse responses, providing engaging and adaptable interactions for customers. Lastly, automatic readability. ChatGPT generates easy-to-read text, improving user experience and clarity in interactions. With these features, ChatGPT transforms customer engagement. Let's move on to benefits for small businesses on the next slide. As an AI expert, I'll show you how ChatGPT benefits small business owners. Sales assistance. ChatGPT offers personalized product recommendations, answers queries, and helps customers make informed purchases. This boosts sales and customer satisfaction. Virtual assistant. ChatGPT serves as a virtual assistant, handling admin tasks, scheduling, and to-do lists. This frees up time for strategic work. Language translation. ChatGPT translates for small businesses, connecting with international customers and broadening the customer base. Content generation. ChatGPT creates engaging blog posts, social media captions, and product descriptions, ensuring high-quality content. These areas highlight how ChatGPT enhances small business operations. It provides sales assistance, acts as a virtual assistant, translates languages, and generates quality content. By using ChatGPT, small businesses gain a competitive edge in the digital age. Welcome to slide number 10. We will compare Google Gemini and ChatGPT. As an AI expert, I'll highlight the differences in usability, functionality, integration, support, resources, and cost. Usability. Both platforms are user-friendly. Functionality. Gemini has powerful search capabilities, while ChatGPT excels in natural language processing. Integration. Gemini integrates well with Google products, while ChatGPT has limited integration. Support. Gemini provides extensive documentation, while ChatGPT has limited support. Resources. Both platforms offer resources, but Gemini's are more extensive. Cost. Gemini's pricing is not publicly available, while ChatGPT operates on a subscription model. In summary, Gemini focuses on search and integration with Google products, while ChatGPT is strong in natural language processing. The choice depends on your specific needs as a business owner. In this slide, we'll talk about OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini and their market position. ChatGPT from OpenAI is hugely popular for its coherent and contextually relevant responses. GPT-3's release further improved its language understanding, solidifying its industry position. ChatGPT has a large user base, appealing to individuals, businesses, and developers. It is used for writing, brainstorming, casual conversation, customer service, and content generation. Gemini by Google gained attention due to its strong brand and existing user base. It provides accurate and contextually rich responses, leveraging Google's knowledge graph and data resources. Gemini benefits from Google's extensive user base across its products and services. Users engage with Gemini through Google Chat, Search, and Assistant. In this slide, we will discuss 3 key advantages that Gemini offers for small businesses. Targeted customer service. Google Gemini chatbot gathers and analyzes customer data to provide personalized interactions. This improves customer experience and loyalty. Real-time analytics and insights. Google Gemini chatbot offers real-time analytics and insights, helping businesses understand customer behavior and make data-driven decisions. Improved lead generation and conversion. Google Gemini chatbot acts as a virtual sales assistant, offering personalized recommendations and instant responses. This leads to better lead generation and conversion rates. Google Gemini chatbot offers targeted customer service, real-time analytics, and improved lead generation for small businesses. In slide 13 we discuss the disadvantages of Google Gemini chatbot for small businesses. The first one is limited handling of complex queries. The Google Gemini chatbot struggles with complex queries that require deeper understanding or context, potentially providing inadequate or misleading responses. Language limitations. Despite supporting multiple languages, the chatbot may struggle with dialects, slang, or regional variations, leading to misinterpretation and dissatisfied customers. Dependency on internet connectivity. The chatbot heavily relies on a stable internet connection, posing challenges in areas with poor or limited access, impacting customer support and information availability. Consider these limitations when deciding if Google Gemini is the right chatbot solution for your small business. Benefits of ChatGPT for small businesses. In this slide, we'll discuss how ChatGPT benefits small businesses. ChatGPT's AI-powered technology offers advantages that streamline operations and improve customer satisfaction. The first benefit is consistent and accurate responses. ChatGPT reduces human errors and provides reliable information, building trust with customers. The second benefit is streamlined sales support. ChatGPT provides personalized assistance, offering recommendations and answering customer queries to enhance the overall experience and increase sales. The third benefit is scalability. ChatGPT handles high volumes of conversations, ensuring all customer inquiries are addressed, even during peak times. In this slide, we discuss the drawbacks of ChatGPT for small businesses. ChatGPT offers consistent and accurate responses, streamlined sales support, and scalability for small businesses. Integrate ChatGPT into your customer support system to maximize resources and provide exceptional service. While ChatGPT is impressive, small businesses should be aware of its limitations. It heavily relies on training data, which can lead to biased or controversial content. Inconsistency in quality and limited transfer learning capabilities are also concerns. Small businesses must consider these drawbacks when deciding to implement ChatGPT. ChatGPT's conversational abilities are commendable, but small business owners need to carefully consider its drawbacks. Over-reliance on training data, inconsistent quality, and limited transfer learning can affect decision-making and adaptability. Understanding these limitations will help small businesses make informed choices about AI chatbot integration. After thoroughly examining and comparing ChatGPT and Google's Gemini chatbot, it is evident that both possess unique strengths and capabilities. However, when it comes to small business owners, ChatGPT stands out as the better option. One key advantage of ChatGPT is its versatility. Powered by OpenAI's advanced language model, ChatGPT can handle various queries and respond conversationally, ensuring a more personalized and engaging user experience. This adaptability is particularly beneficial for small business owners who often interact with customers directly and require a chatbot to provide specific, tailored responses. While Google's Gemini chatbot offers integration with various Google services, such as Google Search and Maps, it falls short in terms of the natural language processing capabilities and personalization that ChatGPT provides. Gemini chatbot's focus on transactional interactions may limit its effectiveness for small businesses seeking to build stronger customer relationships through meaningful conversations. Therefore, for small business owners looking for a chatbot solution that can handle a wide range of queries, engage in personalized conversations, and build stronger customer relationships, ChatGPT emerges as the better choice. ChatGPT's versatility and advanced language understanding make it the ideal chatbot solution for small businesses. Its ability to provide specific, tailored responses and engage in meaningful conversations allows small business owners to create a more personalized and engaging user experience. While Gemini chatbot offers integration with Google services, its focus on transactional interactions may not meet the needs of small businesses seeking to build stronger customer relationships. If you are still on the fence in terms of which chatbot to implement for your small business, here are some valuable recommendations to help you choose between Google Gemini chatbot and OpenAI's ChatGPT. Understand your needs, analyze your requirements and choose the chatbot platform that aligns best with your goals. Evaluate the learning curve, consider the technical knowledge required for each platform and assess if your team can handle it. Assess customization options, compare the level of customization offered by each platform and choose accordingly. These recommendations will help you make an informed decision that meets your business needs. Choose a chatbot platform that enhances customer engagement and aligns with your goals. Well, here is the end of our presentation. I hope I was able to give you a thorough in-depth overview of Google's Gemini chatbot and OpenAI's ChatGPT. Both tools are amazing advancements in artificial intelligence. We are at the beginning of transforming our society to the fourth industrial revolution where AI is the one that will transform society. The question for you as a small business owner is to embrace this technology and expand your business with this wonderful technology. Once again, my name is Jarvis, and I am the host of PC Social. At PC Social, we specialize in data-driven marketing and business intelligence. We are also transforming our business with AI. If you are interested in any of our services, make sure you send us a message in the form to my right. Press on the button that says, "Click here" and submit your contact details so we can get started in transforming your business. It was a pleasure narrating for you today. Have a great day and happy holidays. See you in 2024. Jarvis is out.